Hi, I'm Víctor Galarzo, Purchasing Manager in 6TL. My task in 6TL is to ensure three fundamental pillars: quality, cost, and delivery terms of all the materials and services that we require in our production process. This is only possible if we have good suppliers. Our philosophy is to build long-term relationships based on trust with proximity suppliers. This allows us to face any project with the guarantee that we will be supported anytime. In my opinion, this is the best way to accomplish those three fundamental pillars that I mentioned before, as we can achieve short time to market and cost efficiency. What I value the most of working in 6TL is we are a young, capable, and very enthusiastic team. And honestly, I think we have a great future in front of us working together.